This month we've been looking at bird feeders. With winter coming on, it's a good time to think about the birds and making sure they get enough food over the winter, and also attracting them into your garden because they're lovely things to observe.
Oh.
So this one, and this is a squirrel-proof peanut feeder.
Very nice.
From Primrose, yes.
Very attractive.
Lovely kind of sage colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
Peanuts in the central column. And I've seen quite a few blue tits in particular hopping into this one.
Quite small birds to get through there.
Yeah.
Well, keep the bigger birds, like the blackbirds, out. And
yeah, and I suppose once they're in there, they're protected a little bit, aren't they, from predators.
Exactly.
All right, next one. Should we have a look at this one?
Yeah.
This is a Geneva feeding house.
That's nice. Nice and covered, so
Yeah.
it keeps it dry.
Yeah. So how do we put the seed in, do you reckon?
How do you put the seed in?
There we are.
Lifts
The
up.
roof comes off. That's a good one, isn't it? Okay. And then we've got this one next. Let me move across.
This is another good one for keeping the squirrels out.
Yeah, this is a Niger seed in there, so there's much smaller seed.
Small little holes.
Yeah, plenty of protection again. From, small birds can get in, keep the squirrels out if they want to get in. And this is...
It's got 4 little pegs in there for them to sit on, so you can get 4 birds in there. I bet you don't get 4 birds in there at one time, do you?
I doubt it, but you do see them hopping in and out. Yeah, this is a round helix Niger seed feeder from Harrod Horticultural.
Very attractive.
Yeah.
Very robust.
Very strong, and you just you can take the top off. There's a little lock on the top. It just comes off, and you put the Niger seed inside.
Okay.
This one, quite simple. So it's a wooden one. Oops. This is yeah, that's a good idea. This is one for your little mealworms. Put live worms in there, and just hang it up, and the birds come along. And it's quite simple, isn't it, in design? Easy access. And this is from...
Nice and natural looking.
Yeah.
Green wood.
This is a round hanging live feeder, and it's from a company called Wiggly Wigglers, and they do lots of worm houses and things like that, so worm composters. So quite a simple one.
Neat. Bring that back up. Nice simple hook.
There you are.
Yeah.
Okay, shall we have a look at a couple more?
Yes.
It's a nice one, Em.
It's lovely.
This
Very
is
attractive.
a Bempton bird table from Gardening Naturally.
Ah.
Lovely colours.
Yeah, very nice.
Blends in very well, I think, with the tree.
It does.
How do we put seed into it, though?
Seed into it. Well, we've got a little drawer here. It comes out. Presumably, then you can actually just put the seed in here.
Yeah.
And then you just slip that back in, so it kind of contains it all.
Yeah. Nice design, that, isn't
It's
it?
a nice design.
Shall we look at the last two then?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a fairly simple one, isn't it, Em?
Yeah, it's for Niger seed.
Niger seed in that one.
The tiny
Yeah,
seed.
yeah. This one is called a large Niger seed feeder, and it's from Marshall Seeds. So quite a simple one. You open the top and you pop your seeds in there.
Just enough size holes just to get enough seed out,
Yeah.
but it doesn't fall out, so
No.
that quite keeps it nice and clean.
It's a good functional
Yeah.
bird feeder. Now this one, it's a little bit of an all singing, all dancing. It's got
great.
all sorts of possibilities. Got peanuts, got seed there, you've got water, you've got a place for fat balls here, fruit. This space here is for raisins, and then you can hang grease on here and all sorts of different things.
Put water in there, or
Bit of water,
mealworms or something.
mealworms
Yeah.
or water, it's your choice. And easy to access by the looks of it, because you've got this
Lid.
flappable lid, which is easy to open.
Keeps it dry, all the seed dry.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah, so I say it's a bit of an all singing, all dancing one, that one. That's a Deluxe bird feeder, and it's from Sutton Seeds.